Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome to my video. And today we need to review about the novel Deep Phantom by James Rowling. Let's check it out. The storyline about the novel opened on a day with a solar eclipse. The first on the new millennium with a three-spread view with the people all over the globe. All of the characters happen around the US president who is observing the Guam Island eclipse on a Chinese diplomatic trip. Although the eclipse began fine, the island is suffering earthquake and the president is forced to evacuate on Air Force One. Ex-Navy Sir Jack Kirkland surfaced for discover the world, burning from an unsuccessful underwater rescue mission. A string of gargantuan natural diseases have caused solar flares. Earthquake shake the world. Then have fire with America's president on board. Air Force One has disappeared from the sky. So if you like more info on the story, you should read the book and you should hear what the authors wish you to learn. They have a lot of characteristics in the novel Deep Phantom, but the main character have two, which are Jack Kirkland and the Karen Grace. But I love about the character Jack Kirkland. Jack Kirkland is Deep Phantom Chief, a leased adventure ship. He has a college focus on deep water exploration. Jack is a private citizen. He has not allowed be in the way it has been. When he proposed to his partner to could have been happen on more in love with her and wife life. As the space shelter, they were on fell down on re-entry. Life imploded and he was the sole survivor. And a strong, the resourceful ex-Navy man, now he's able to return his life to save the life of former crew and undo the tragedy that changed everything. Now, a shell of his former self, he's live on his boat and avoid as much of life as he can. For this novel, they have theme of the story. Love heals even the deepest wound. For years, Jack was on his own. Jack blamed himself for the loss of Jennifer Springer after the shuttle crash at Atlantis. He shuddered from all his hurt can entail. He doesn't let anyone in, and he doesn't let anyone surface. She has become more than he can be. His guilt and sorrow and the sole survivor of the incident. The shame he struggle with of the survivors leave him separate from someone who care about him. Rather, he prepare his own company and try to split his life clearly, leaving behind all the things which recall his previous life. That's all about the theme of the story, this novel, Deep Phantom. In this novel, I have three opinions about the three issues. And the first issue, why did Springer have so many plans to destroy Jack Kirkland, and what was the Springer doing to destroy Jack Kirkland? And the answer is Springer turned out to the brother of Jack Kirkland, Finance, who was killed during a Butch space mission, and now vengeful blame Jack for his sister's death. Springer decided to kill Jack Kirkland as a side operation. Soon Jack Kirkland received a call from the Deep Phantom ship telling him they got a bomb on board, and he think the bomb detonated as the conversation stopped. In my view, the attitude displayed by the Springer is really negative, and at the same time, it can have a detrimental impact on the Springer. The positive thing Jack Kirkland will offer is that he has to be patient, because be patient means getting back for a good thing. The second issue about this novel is when the Jack Kirkland was performing in search. What did Kirkland do to save the planet from chaos? Kirkland managed to get aboard the abandoned underwater base, and he's informed by his team aboard his ship that they must destroy the pillar in order to avoid the destruction of the Earth by shooting it with a particle beam from a satellite that Kirkland has put in orbit during the space mission. So what I'm thinking about this issue is, this issue Kirkland is going to in a really complicated, but Kirkland can do a job well and perfect correctly. That's all about the second issue. The third issue in this novel is he's disappointed with himself because he's not like anyone else. Why that fit Jack? The answer is because he's lose the most important person in his career. His brother then that died during an apocalypse tragedy. He was a duty in the sea and could not surface because outdoor are too risky. He could not first acknowledge the fact and he assumed his fiancée is still alive outside. Time passed and eventually the distance can be acknowledged. So, about my opinion, from the situation, I also feel very sad of missing someone that very important in my life, especially my parent. From the story, I can conclude that Jack is the strong person because he totally can manage the sadness in the situation that full of conflict and question. That's all about the three issue. In the issue, I need to choose one issue. The issue I choose is the number one. The same thing happened to my friend and to me. We were battling for a conflict between us. He was a good friend of mine and he always did stuff together. But when we got into a fight, my best friend did not even went to see me and talk to me. He was intending to hit me, but I was trying to take the better side from the Deep Phantom story when the Jack Kirkland was a good speech with a Spangler. I'm trying to be careful and I'm apologize my mistake to my friend. And when I apologize for my mistake, we were all better than normal. The further continuation of making the story more interesting is Jack meet someone else who remind him of his fiancée and motivate him to become the better person that going to make Jack into a really skillful navy and leader to save the world. As a conclusion, this book blends into a very culture, whether young or old. I recommend it to my little brother, Lokman, as he an active reader of adventure novel, world chaos and world conflict. I'm sure my brother going to enjoy the Deep Phantom story and finish it in the upcoming week or month, I don't know, but I think in week. The novel has a lot of quality that is enjoyed and the idea with the plot twist will have a positive impact on my brother reading. The story is very interesting and make my brother very excited and able to learn. That's all about my video. When you like my video, please hit the button like. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.